Yuen Method. Strengthening for Major Arcana 20, the Judgment. This card represents revelation, awakening, and rebirth. It symbolizes awareness of our true essence, liberation from the past, and a chance for a new beginning. It's a call to transform our lives authentically, overcoming karmic blocks, limiting patterns, and restrictive beliefs. This arcana precedes Arcana Canis 1, the world, signaling we're on the brink of great culmination and expansion. It invites us to close cycles, release burdens, and align with our life's purpose. Listen to this strengthening for 7 days before moving to the next arcana. We strengthen the midline to receive, integrate, and express this new information in daily life. We strengthen the microbody, quantum particles, atoms, molecules, and cells to be open and receptive. We amplify your mind and spirit's inner call to evolve, to be attentive, present, and aware of your growth and learning. We strengthen physical intelligence to close cycles and advance consciously and subconsciously. Strong to close cycles with gratitude, wisdom, and detachment. Strong to let go, erase, and release the past. Strong to close cycles, move forward, and progress. Strong to be reborn, restart, reinvent, rethink, and rebuild as often as needed. Strong to make it faster and easier each time. Let's increase clarity, feeling, perception, and intuition. Confusions and distortions. Strengthen all emotions and reactions to transcend unconsciousness without repressing or evading. Strong for reconciliation, forgiveness, and full understanding of others' evolution. Strength to resolve conflicts, both internal and external, conscious and subconscious, yours and others, from this life and beyond. Strength to stay alert, present, and aware of your thoughts, emotions, and decisions. Strength to take full responsibility for your choices, outcomes, and their effects. We fortify the complete and permanent severing of karmic ties. Strength to recognize, accept, and learn from life's lessons. Strength to create, seek out, and discover new opportunities. Strength to find, align with, and fulfill your life's mission. Strength to be aware of your true essence and life purpose. We enhance your connection to the divine for higher guidance. We empower deep transformation, radical changes, and quantum leaps. Strength to release, liberate, and free yourself from fears. Strength to overcome self-imposed family and cultural limitations. Strength to know yourself deeply and thoroughly. Strength to embrace your shadow self with compassion and light. Strength to reassess, reflect on, and align your values with your actions. Strength to break prejudices and shift perspectives. and broaden your perspective. Strong to face each crisis, obstacle, and challenge with resilience, awareness, and patience. Strong to address your unresolved issues. Strong to identify your wounds, fears, traumas, and deep motivations, as well as any unresolved matters within. Strong to release guilt, resentment, attachments, pain, grudges, regrets, complaints, and melancholy. We strengthen reconnection with authenticity. Strong to live with more truth, coherence, congruence, and consciousness. Strong in total unconditional acceptance of your own life story. Strong to make peace with your past, others, and yourself. Strong to reconcile with love, abundance, money, health, and prosperity. Strong to end toxic relationships that no longer serve and drain your energy. Strong to rise again through inner strength, courage, and determination. Strong enough to deepen your love for your partner, family, career, purpose, and life. Strong enough to empathize with and be patient towards others' emotional wounds. Strong enough to stop taking your actions, words, and decisions personally. Strong enough to honor your commitments, responsibilities, and agreements. Strong enough to make your word the most valuable thing you can offer. Strong enough to build trust, create opportunities, and forge deep connections. Strong enough to shed your mask and embrace authenticity, regardless of acceptance. Strong enough to let authenticity free you from repetitive patterns. Strong enough to connect genuinely with like-minded souls who share your values. Strong enough to give and receive recognition, validation, and constructive feedback. Strong enough to end life chapters knowing better things lie ahead. Strong enough to discover abilities you never knew you had. And strong enough to impact the world more deeply, meaningfully, and honestly. We'll connect and integrate everything from top to bottom, bottom to top, right to left, left to right, inside out, outside in, back to front, and front to back. We strengthen internal and external dynamics, boundaries, and all angles. "100% potential, infinite possibilities, all the time, always." We remove all barriers to your ability to absorb this information. From zero to infinity, constantly with endless time. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram, readjust, and rejuvenate body, mind, and spirit. Remember, judgment calls us to transform and seek truth. How do you feel now? The same or different?